What is up, guys? It's your boy No Risk, No Premium, back with another episode of the Market Overview, guys. Today we're starting another consecutive day inside of some chop, arrangey, balancy action. I mean, you guys can just see balance and balance. It makes for a very tough trading market. But why is that? More than likely, let's go check here on the economic data for tomorrow. PCE and continuous jobless claims come out tomorrow. More than likely, is going to be the catalyst to take us out of this range. At least I am hoping. We can see pending home sale comes out 30 minutes after the market open as well. So data pre-market and data 30 minutes into the market open. We'll need to be cognizant of that as usual. As you can see, this 50-50 to 50-60 zone is holding for now. So on the open tomorrow, or after the data, if we hold 50-50 at the lowest, I will be looking at the long-sided trade to the upside. Underneath there, definitely going to be looking for shorts down to 50-35 and 5,000 even. Underneath that, if we get boot and scoot and tune to the upside, 50.91 gets taken out. Look to get long and strong to the highs. That's what I didn't mean to go there. I meant to go here. We are looking at NQ now. Looking at NQ now. This 5184 level. Okay, we can see we had some balance going on here, and now we're kind of getting a little bit more sluggish, and it also is starting to kind of also look a little bit more flaggy. Well, if I could just, that would be great. Right, it's starting to look a little bit more like, yes, this was more of a balance zone. So for me, I do think that into this 17,800 level, right, into this zone down here on the open tomorrow, if we hold this or after the data, I will be looking at the long side of trade from there. Other than that, guys, we got to take out 18,000 to the upside. All right, got to take out 18,000 to the upside. Looking at SPY here now, this 505, man, 504.50 to 505. This level is holding. I do think 503. If we come down, drop, touch, and go, I'm looking at 503 longs. If we hold, that would be great. Look at the long side of trade here, or about over 507 to get boot and scoot and tune to the upside. Looking at QQQ, and it's staring this gap in the face, right? I mean, we all know this gap. Huge, ugly. I mean, look at QQQ. I mean, like, let's just be honest here. That is not ideal trading. I mean, it just is like if a heart attack looked like a chart, that's what it looked like right there. Okay, but we have this insane gap here. So as long as we don't dip into that gap on the open tomorrow, right? Looking at, let me zoom this out just a tad. So get a little more. Looking at 403, right? We have to see this 403 area. If this holds 403, then we've got to get boot and scoot and tune above 439 to the upside for continuation. But 433 has to hold. We can watch 430, right? We can watch 430 as a pretty much 50% of it'd be like right in the middle of the gap at a 50% gap fill. You can watch 430, but 426 is going to be that level underneath. We're going to have to watch. And last, but definitely not least, IWM went and gap filled, right? We were talking about that gap fill. Want to look at 201.50 for the gap fill. We went down and we got it pretty much here. So we'll watch that area on the open now. 201.50. If it holds, that's going to be great. Look for the long trade back over 203 to 205 from there. Underneath there, you can't look at a short-sided trade. I think 200 to 199.50 will be on par, but that is going to be a counter trend trade. So treat that accordingly, guys. Other than that, you got to wake up early, get your levels right, and of course, not do anything fucking stupid. We'll see you bright and early. Peace.